What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano because in my previous analysis I didn't mention all the setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. So in this video I will be talking about the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit in this bull market, and also I will show you all of the exact setups that I am currently watching here. So if you are interested about this, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we are under this important bearish order block area, which is between levels 0.8449 and 0.8054. And right now, I am waiting here for a breakout and then support confirmation of this area. If you are thinking if it's, for example, a good opportunity to open a long position right now on the 4-hour chart, then in my opinion, no, because on this time frame you simply don't have a good area where you can place your stop loss. Like, of course, you can, for example, place it like under this previous low, but on the 4-hour chart, this is not an important support area. And if you will place the last take profit target above this bearish order block, you will get really risky trade with risk reward ratio 4.07, which is, in my opinion, not that great. On the 4-hour chart, I am simply waiting here for a breakout and a support confirmation of this area. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because if there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Last take profit targets you can then place under this previous important highs, which will give you potential profit around 55% of a net market, potential stop loss around 5.48% of a net market, and if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be around 7, something like that, which is, in my opinion, really great setup. On the other hand, if you still want to open some long position on the current areas, then you need to watch this bullish order block on the 1-hour chart. This bullish order block is between level 0.7045 and 0.6906, and you can see on the 1-hour chart we are having here this previous important lows. So if there will be a liquidity grab under all of these previous important lows, and after that we will see here a liquidity grab with a support confirmation, you can open here a long position. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place under the low that we will trade during the fake out, and last take profit target you can place either on the risk reward ratio 1:1, which will give you really great setup, or you can place it above this bearish order block, which is between level 0.767 and 0.751, which is give you, if you will take like 2 take profit targets, risk reward ratio up to 4.32. So with 2 take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be around 3.2, something like that, which is again really great setup. And in my opinion, this is the closest long position that you can currently take on Cardano. And so let's now switch to a daily time frame. Here we are retesting this really important bearish order block, which is between level 0.8405 and 0.7451, and this is the main reason why I want to take that profits on the 1-hour chart, because above, like, area above this previous important high is simply important resistance area in the long-term perspective. On the daily time frame, we are currently retesting really important resistance, and after my previous video I got some DMs if it's, for example, a good opportunity to buy Cardano right now. And like, the short answer is no, because as I said, right now we are testing important resistance area, which is like this bearish order block, this previous important high, these highs, these previous lows. Like, this is not area that you want too long. But if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation of this area, this is completely a different situation. Exact long position, in this case you need to place like, you can entry after a breakout and then support confirmation, stop loss under this bearish order block, so potential stop loss will be around 12.8% over net market, and last take profit targets from this long position I will be placing under $2 mark, because in my opinion $2 mark is completely realistic target that we can have for Cardano for this bull market. So if you'll be opening your either trading or like a spot position, I think $2 mark is definitely doable. Trade like this with stop loss around 13% of net market, which I think is definitely safe, will give us risk reward ratio up to 10, potential profit 135% of net market. If you will take multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should, so some of the profits you can, for example, take like under these previous important highs, this previous highs, this high under 1.6 or like $1.7 mark, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 7.5, something like that, which is another really great trade. So if you are, for example, thinking what is the exact price that I think Cardano is gonna hit in this bull market, it's like a $2 mark. Of course, this is for me a realistic target, but if I will be opening here some really long-term long position, or for example, if I will be adding some funds to my spot position, then like this is not a target where I want to take all of my profits, because still we are having here this bearish order block, and I think that there is still around like 15 to like 10% chance that we are actually gonna break this bearish order block and we will get to the price discovery phase, which means from the current level this can be a profit around 336% of net market. If we are gonna hit like a $4 mark, this will be a profit almost 500% of net market. So definitely I'm not gonna keep like my whole position to a liquidated grab above this bearish order block. I will take most of my profits under that $2 mark. Of course, if I will be opening here some trading position, but some, let's say, small bag I will keep to these higher levels. You can see that in the long-term perspective, Cardano is still really undervalued. This is definitely not a dead coin, as we can see really often in the current market situation. Altcoins are usually looking like this. So after that bear market, there was like some pump, and right now we are on even lower levels. This is not something Cardano is doing, because you can see, for example, like from this low, we are still up around like 230% of a net market. Of course, from the current all-time high, we are still down around like 77% of a net market. But in my opinion, once the bull market for altcoins starts, Cardano can definitely take off. So if you want to have some watch list of altcoins to buy to this alt season, I think you should definitely add this coin. On the weekly time frame, if you want to know about some interesting buying areas, like if you don't want to buy Cardano right now, then definitely this bullish order block between level 0.3739 and 3153, yeah, this can be definitely like interesting buying opportunity. But in my opinion, we are like not gonna get there. Like a lot of people are currently watching this falling, which this is not something I'm watching, because this is simply a retail setup. But if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, we might have here a, let's say, bigger probability of another pump. So yeah, guys, if you, for example, want to copy my exact trade, or if you want to follow my analysis, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing setups like this every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also let me know what are your exact thoughts about Cardano right now, and for example, what is the exact price that you think Cardano is gonna hit. For me, there is really high probability we are gonna hit the $2 mark, and around like 15 to 10% that we are gonna hit that $4. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.